to my channel. And since I'm filming on Christmas, Merry Christmas to you guys. Oh my god, my wig is annoying me. I'm very sorry. Yes, I've been gone a long time. I know it's been around 6 or 7 months. Work has taken a big part of my time up. I now work 40 hours a week for a bank. So yeah, I'm a real working woman. I don't just do part-time work and full-time school. It's full-time work, and it's definitely different. But yeah, today's video is just going to be what I got for Christmas 2K19. These are super popular on YouTube, so just a quick disclaimer, I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I just wanted to showcase what I got for Christmas. I'm very grateful and thankful for everything that I did receive from everybody, and I'm grateful to have another year with my family and my friends. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got for Christmas, then just keep on watching. I just want to first and foremost apologize for the mess and my nails, because my nails are super chipped, they're super ugly, but it's okay. And the mess is because my gifts are scattered everywhere. Oh god. Okay, so I'm wearing a wig. If you guys can or cannot tell, I don't know. And this is another wig. I just have wigs everywhere today. I'm so sorry. I completely forgot about that. Okay, so I just want to apologize for the mess. There's stuff everywhere. It's been a very hectic morning, to say the least. But yeah, let's just get started. The first thing I actually bought myself. This was my Christmas gift to myself, and I'm pretty proud of it. And I bought a car. I did film a car tour for my car. This is just my spare key. My other key is on the floor over there. I just didn't feel like reaching over and grabbing it. So I have this key. I've had this puffball and this Coochie Kopi keychain for a really long time. But yeah, I did film a car tour on it. So all of the information on that will be, of my car will be in that video, which should come out sometime next week. But I got so tired of taking everyone else's car, I decided, since I'm a working woman now, I mean, full-time working woman, I decided, I need to just buy my own car, stop taking everyone else's cars. And yeah, I did it. So yeah, that is my first gift. My parents gave me this purse. Y'all, I have been wanting this purse for so long. I saw this one and this other purse that I actually ended up buying. That one was kind of the same as this one, only it was brown and it was from Guess and it didn't have cheetah on it. But I thought that one was a bit more business appropriate, because I do work in a corporate setting. I have to look professional at all times. So I thought that one would be better because I could wear it, or yeah, carry it with me every day. This one is a bit more fun, but it's cute. I absolutely love it. I can carry it like this. It does come with a strap to go on the little side thingy, so I could wear it as a crossbody or just off an arm. But it's so cute. It's super spacious, which is a must for me. I have to have a spacious purse. No more small bags in 2020. I'm coming out with big bags like this. So yeah. Another thing that I got for my car were these Goodyear all-weather car mats. They are just a little too big, but it's okay because my dad's gonna help me cut these to fit my car. So I'm very excited about these because it's been raining and snowing like crazy, and I don't want to mess up my regular carpet mats. So I asked for some all-weather mats. Oh, another gift, this sweatshirt. I have been super obsessed with the color mustard, or just yellow in general, as of late, as you can tell with this sweatshirt and my key cover. I really love the color yellow. So I got this mustard sweatshirt and I'm super happy about it because yeah, I can just vaguely remember like me saying, oh my god, like I will never wear something yellow. I hate the color yellow. Yellow attracts bees because I'm like deathly afraid of bees. But like, I don't know, like within the last couple of years, I've really just been falling in love with the color yellow, and it's nice. It's refreshing. Like it just makes the melanin pop. Like I look cute. Like, yes. Another thing that's car related, I got a Batman license plate cover. I'm so excited, you guys, because Batman is my favorite superhero. If you didn't know, now you know. Batman is the greatest, hands down. Like, I love Batman. And I saw these before I got my car, and I was just like, ooh, like I low-key need this. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't wait to put this on there. Like, everyone made fun of me when I said I wanted Batman license plate covers, but like, it makes my car stand out. Like, these are gonna make my car stand out more than it already stands out, because my car, it does have black hubcaps. So I think this would just give it just a bit more character. So yeah, there's that. I got more clothes. I'm just trying to find them. So in this box, I got a couple shirts that were like business appropriate, because again, I do work in a professional setting, so I have to look professional every time I go to work. So I just have this shirt. I have this shirt. And then this blue one that I actually am like really obsessed with. Like, I could never have too many business casual or business appropriate clothing, because I literally work in corporate America, so I always have to be on point. And shout out to my mom for always just hooking a girl up, because she just knows, like, she knows. I feel like the last of this stuff is Bath and Body Works. Yeah, we'll just start with what my parents got me. They got me Into the Stars body butter from Bath and Body Works. Like, guys, this stuff, hands down, smells so good. So effing good. Like, there's a little paper on it, but this, oh my god, I love body butter in the winter and fall, because like it's the perfect time to break that out. Like, it's colder, your skin gets drier. Like, body butters keep my skin nice and hydrated all through the night, and then in the morning I just slap on some lotion and I'm good to go. They also bought me In the Stars shower gel and a body cream, because this is one of my new favorite scents. So there's that. My younger brother bought me some more Bath and Body Works. He bought me Frosted Coconut Snowball lotions, a body cream, and a shower gel. So last year, my brother, he bought me the Frosted Coconut Snowball. I think I have it. Oop, I've got it right here. They're body butter. They don't make the body butter anymore, but this is all that I had from them, and I just loved the scent. Like, this stuff, oh my god, it just smells so good. It's like warm but tropical at the same time. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, if you've ever smelled Frosted Coconut Snowball, you know what I mean. But this stuff is so good, and it's a seasonal scent, and so I didn't realize that last year, and I had to wait an entire year to get anything else. So yeah, I asked him to just buy a bunch of lotions and shower gels and stuff, because I didn't need perfume, because I did go out and buy the perfume myself, but lotions I was definitely going to be needing, because I go through lotion so quick. Like, it's not even funny. Like, every time I wash my hands after, like, I wash my hands, I put on hand sanitizer, and I put on lotion. Like, I'm constantly using lotion. I gotta make sure my hands are good, because like I said, I work in a professional setting, so you want to make sure your hands look good. I mean, they don't. My nails look terrible now, but when I'm at work, A1. But yeah, I just have all of these. My grandma gave me my wig is really starting to get on my nerves. My grandma gave me a gift card, and I in turn spent that gift card at Bath and Body Works, because what else am I going to do with my life? But in all seriousness, I bought In the Stars body lotion, bought 2 of those, body butter, which, like, so I have 2 of them because my parents bought me one, and then I bought myself one. And oh god, I just love this stuff, man. And then I bought Into the Night, the fragrance mist, and 2 of the body creams. And this scent, like, In the Stars, Into the Night, Frosted Coconut Snowball, Pretty as a Peach. That's like all I've been wearing the last like 2 months. Like, I have a problem. Like, Bath and Body Works, like, because, oh my god, I can just go on and on and on about Bath and Body Works, but like, if you have not tried these scents, like, what are you doing, sis? Like, you need to try these, like, tomorrow, or actually today. And lastly, my friend Taylor and her mom got me more Bath and Body Works, and I just want to say a quick thank you to them, because you guys really didn't have to, but I just want to let you know, once again, I really do appreciate what you guys got me. Gotta get it, so just one moment. So for starters, they got me this, I don't know if this is gingham, I don't know how to pronounce that, but like, it's a candle, it's a single wick candle. This stuff smells so good. My mom had this as a room spray, and I just loved it. Like, it's so strong and just, oh gosh, I love this candle. They got me that. They got me Into the Night, the Shea Butter hand cream, and I love this stuff. Like, it's along the lines of my Nivea 24 or 48 hour moisturizing lotion. That stuff is no joke. Like, you put it on, you're good to go. You don't have to reapply lotion. This is up there with that. So, just, A1, man. A1. I also got the Into the Night moisturizing body wash, which I love. I love this stuff, man. It keeps me smelling good. My skin's soft. Like, whew. Sis is straight, man. Sis is just set. I don't have to buy any more Bath and Body Works for like the next year. I should be completely good, because I've got so much stuff. Like, it's ridiculous, but like, I appreciate it. Like, I live for skincare and for body care. Like, I appreciate my friends and family for like always making sure I smell good, because that is my big thing. I have to smell good, no matter if I'm just laying in bed. If I'm going out, if I'm at work, I have to smell good. And they set me straight every single time. And lastly, from Taylor and her mom, I got the In the Stars Diamond Shimmer Mist and Moisturizing Body Wash. This has my melanin popping like crazy. Like, I don't have it on today. I'm wearing Frosted Coconut Snowball, because that is one of my favorite like festive scents besides Vanilla Bean Noel. And this stuff, like, oh my god, you first of all, it's so strong, you don't even need to, like, usually with perfumes I spray like my entire body. So I spray my neck, both sides of my neck, I spray like my front, I spray like down me, and then I spray like my back. and I just walk back into the scent, and I spray my wrists, and I'm good to go. With this, I literally just, because it's also a shimmer mist, so I don't want to like shimmer on my clothing. I just spray like my neck and my wrists, rub my wrists together, and my neck's always super sparkly. My wrists, like, I smell good, guys. I just know I smell really good. Yeah, I think that was all of my Christmas gifts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content. My car tour, I'm pretty sure I mentioned this in the beginning of my video. My car tour is going up January 1st, so be on the lookout for that, because I did film it before I actually filmed this video, but I wanted to get this one up first, so the car tour will go up January 1st. That's all for today's video. Like I said, be sure to look out for that car tour, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.